Hello, today I will speak about multi-step equations. In multi-step equation, there is more than one operation on the unknown, like adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. The goal is to simplify step by step until x is isolated. I will begin with the first example. 2x plus 5 equal 9, and the first step I will subtract 5 from both sides. Minus 5 minus 5. Subtract 5 from both sides. 2x plus 5 minus 5 equal 9 minus 5. 2x plus 5 minus 5 equal 0, equal 9 minus 5 equal 4. Then divide both sides by 2, and I will divide because I want x, just one x equal. And when I look at logically at this 2 by times x, I know 2 times 2 equal 4, x equal 2, but I will divide it by 2 because I want just one x, and I want to show you it equal x equal 2. Shorten 2 with 2, and 4 divided by 2 equal 2. This was the first example. The second example, x minus 2 equal 13, and I will add 2 in the both sides, to both sides. Add 2 to both sides, plus 2, because I have minus 2, and plus 2. Because I want to do step by step, I want x in one side alone. 5x minus 2 plus 2 equal 13 plus 2. 5x minus 2 plus 2 equals 0. So equal 13 plus 2 equal 15. Divided by 5 both sides. Divided by 5 both sides. And I will shorten 5 with 5. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. X equal 3. I can think so easily, or maybe I will do the operation in my head. If 5x minus 2 equal 13, and I will move minus 2 to another side, and I will change the sign. 13 plus 2. When I move minus 2 to another side, I must change the sign, and it will be 5x equal 15 divided by 5, the both side, x equal 3. Maybe this more quickly, and this. The third example, I will move 3 to other sides, or I will subtract minus 3. I have plus 3, minus 3 here in the both sides. And I will get 4x plus 3 minus 3 equal 3x plus 8 minus 3. 4x plus 3 minus 3 equals 0, equal. So these terms equal 0 together. Equal 3x, 8 minus 3 plus 5. Then I will move 3x to this side and I will change the sign, or I will think minus 3x minus 3x, and I will continue here. 4x minus 3x equal 3x minus 3x plus 5. 4x minus 3x equal x, 3x minus 3x equals 0, and I have remained just 5, and the answer x equal 5. I can just do it simply than this, like I do. For example, if I have 2x, the first example equal 9, 2x plus 5 equal 9, and I will move 5 to another side, and I will change direct the sign, equal minus 5. I will subtract in my head quickly. Just I take the number, and first we begin with numbers, and I will change the sign. 2x equal 9 minus fm equal 5 equal 4. Then I will divide by 2, x equal 2. And the third example it was also I can just plus 3 equal 3x plus 8. And I can move direct 3 in the another side. It will be 4x equal 3x plus 8. When I move 3x to the another side, I will change the sign. 4x equal 3x 8 minus 3 plus 5. Then I will move 3x to this side, and I will change here. I have plus, but usually we didn't write it in the beginning. 4x minus 3x equal 5, and x equal 5. Remember, remove constants first, then divide or multiply at the end. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other side. I hope it was a good lesson for you today, and we meet in another video. Bye bye.